In this video, we will guide you on how to sow microgreens step by step. Microgreens are tiny plants packed with nutrients and flavors that are perfect for salads and sandwiches. Whether you're trying to grow your microgreens for personal use or as a small business, this guide will help you get started. Before we get started with sowing the microgreens, let's look at the materials required. You will need seeds, soil, a shallow tray, a spray bottle or watering can, and a grow light. Choose a high-quality seed with the variety you like. You can find these at garden stores or online. To ensure the microgreens grow healthy and strong, it's important to choose the right soil mix. The soil mix should be light, with good water retention, and free from any pests and diseases. You can find a good organic soil mix at your local gardening store or online. For growing microgreens, you need a shallow tray with drainage holes. Fill the tray with the soil mix and level it out. Make sure the soil is damp and not wet. Use a spray bottle or watering can to water the soil evenly. You can also add a thin layer of vermiculite or coconut coir on top of the soil to aid with germination. Now it's time to sow the seeds. Sprinkle the seeds evenly over the soil, trying not to overcrowd them. Gently press the seeds down into the soil mix using a flat object or your fingers. Do not bury the seeds too deep, microgreens require light for germination. After sowing the seeds, water them using a spray bottle or watering can. Cover the tray with a lid or plastic wrap to create a humid environment. This helps with the germination process. Place the tray in a warm location away from direct sunlight. After 3 to 4 days, you will notice the seeds have germinated. At this stage, remove the cover and move the tray to a location where it can get 4 to 6 hours of direct sunlight or under a grow light. Water the soil regularly to keep it moist, but not too wet. In 1 to 2 weeks, your microgreens will be ready for harvesting. Congratulations! You have successfully grown your microgreens. Remember to keep the soil moist, not too wet, and provide the required amount of light. You can harvest your microgreens when they're 1 to 2 inches tall by cutting with scissors at soil level. Enjoy your freshly grown microgreens in salads, sandwiches, or as garnishes.